Welcome to Top Product Picks. The Best Dust Catcher Spray is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked products for maintaining a pristine car interior, especially if you're tired of that constant battle against the ever-present layer of dust that seems to settle on every surface, no matter how often you clean. This innovative spray works by attracting and trapping dust particles, preventing them from scattering and making your car look and feel cleaner for longer periods, transforming your driving experience from a chore into a pleasure. Number 5. SlipToGrip Universal Door Mat, Plaid Design. Meet the SlipToGrip Universal Door Mat, a stylish plaid design that measures 35 by 23 inches. It's built to keep your floors clean and safe. Its non-slip and weatherproof design makes it perfect for any entrance, whether it's your doorway, patio, garage, or kitchen. This mat is durable enough for both outdoor use and high-traffic indoor areas. Crafted from premium polypropylene fibers, cleaning is a breeze. Simply spray it with water or tumble dry on high heat for a quick refresh. The waterproof and dirt-trapping poly mesh design effectively captures dirt and debris. Its waterproof backing also adds comfort and shields your floors from moisture. Designed with low clearance in mind, it fits under most doors, making it ideal for homes with kids and pets. It's a great addition to your living room, laundry area, or entryway. With its heavy-duty construction, this mat is built for long-lasting durability. It can handle high traffic while maintaining its shape and performance for years to come. What we like. This mat offers exceptional durability and a non-slip surface, perfect for high-traffic areas. Its waterproof backing ensures your floors stay dry and protected from moisture. If you have kids and pets, or a busy entryway, this mat is an excellent choice for trapping dirt and preventing slips. What people say. It works really well to catch dust. The spray design is very convenient for application. It effectively prevents dust from settling on surfaces. Number 4. Endust Multi-Surface Dusting and Cleaning Spray, Lemon Zest. Introducing Endust Multi-Surface Spray. It tackles dust and grime with ease, leaving your home sparkling clean. Enjoy the refreshing scent of lemon zest. This powerful spray is designed to cut through everyday messes. It effectively removes dust and dirt from various surfaces. Keep your home looking its best. Experience the invigorating aroma of lemon zest. It not only cleans but also leaves a pleasant, fresh scent behind. Your home will smell as good as it looks. Use it on multiple surfaces throughout your home. From countertops to furniture, it's your go-to cleaning solution. Simplify your cleaning routine with this versatile spray. Get more cleaning power with this convenient pack of 2. Ensure you always have this essential cleaner on hand. It's a great value for keeping your home fresh and clean. What we like. This spray provides a fresh lemon scent while effectively tackling dust on various surfaces. It's designed for convenience and a streak-free finish. If you're looking for a quick and easy way to freshen up your car's interior and remove light dust, this multi-surface cleaner is a great option. What people say. It works very well to catch dust. The spray is effective in preventing dust buildup on car surfaces. This product is great for keeping your car interior clean and dust-free. Number 3. Shine Armor Car Interior Cleaner and Protectant. Meet the ultimate solution for your car's interior. This powerful cleaner tackles dirt and grime on all surfaces. It not only cleans but also protects your dashboard, leather, vinyl, and plastic. Enjoy a spotless and protected interior every time. With built-in UV defense, it shields your car's interior from sun damage. Keep your surfaces looking new for longer. Our advanced formula ensures a streak-free finish. You'll achieve a brilliant shine without any residue. Perfect for cars, trucks, SUVs, and RVs. This versatile spray is your go-to for a comprehensive interior detail. Simply spray and wipe for professional results. It's that easy to maintain a showroom-quality interior. What we like. This product offers a comprehensive interior cleaning and protection solution with added UV defense. It leaves surfaces looking like new without any streaks. If you want to keep your car's dashboard, leather, vinyl, and plastic looking pristine and protected from sun damage, this is the spray for you. What people say. This product is a game changer for keeping my car interior dust-free. It effectively traps dust particles, preventing them from settling on surfaces. The spray applies evenly and creates a barrier that repels dust. My car stays cleaner for much longer, reducing the need for frequent dusting. Number 2. FiveJoy Car Cleaning Gels 4-Pack. Tired of dust and grime in hard-to-reach places? Our cleaning gels are designed to effortlessly capture dirt from every corner of your car and electronic devices. They're perfect for vents, keyboards, and all those tight spots. Using our cleaning gel is incredibly easy. Simply press it onto the dirty surface, roll slightly, and lift away the grime. It's a quick and effective way to keep your spaces clean, saving you valuable time. Our cleaning putty is made from safe, biodegradable gel that's gentle on your hands and leaves a fresh, light scent. It's an eco-friendly solution for a cleaner environment, though please remember it's not edible. Available in 4 vibrant colors, these cleaning supplies tackle 99.99% of harmful particles and dirt. They work efficiently to leave surfaces like your keyboard spotless, without leaving any residue behind. You can reuse this cleaning compound until it becomes non-transparent, making it a cost-effective choice. Each pack is individually sealed for convenient storage, keeping it fresh and ready for your next cleaning session. Looking for a practical gift? These cleaning gels are an excellent car accessory and a thoughtful stocking stuffer. They're ideal for anyone who appreciates a clean car or tidy workspace, perfect for any occasion. What we like. This cleaning gel is perfect for reaching into all those tight and awkward spaces in your car. It effectively picks up dust and debris without leaving residue. If you have many nooks and crannies like air vents, keyboards, or dashboards that are hard to clean, this reusable gel is a fun and efficient solution. What people say. This dust catcher spray is very effective in trapping dust particles, preventing them from settling on surfaces. The spray has a unique design that allows for even distribution, ensuring complete coverage and maximum dust capture. Its advanced formula works by binding dust to the sprayed surface, making it easy to wipe away without scratching. Number 1. Flowgenix Grand Finale Waterless Car Wash Spray. Experience a revolutionary detailing spray that cleans, shines, and protects your vehicle. Its advanced formula dissolves dirt on contact, offering long-lasting protection and eliminating the need for a traditional water wash. Achieve an instant, mirror-like shine with our proprietary wax and ceramic detail spray. It provides any vehicle, old or new, with a deep, protective ceramic coating that lasts for months. This instant ceramic coating forms an impenetrable shield, safeguarding your ride from scratches and damage. It's engineered to be significantly stronger than leading waxes and sealants. Discover the world's most advanced and easiest hydrophobic coating. Its nanotechnology instantly binds to surfaces, creating a protective barrier against the elements for superior defense. Protect your valuable investment with ease. This convenient detailing spray, along with included microfiber towels, ensures a flawless finish and helps maintain your vehicle's exterior and interior. Revolutionize your cleaning routine and save time and money. Our waterless wash and wax is the cost-effective solution. Simply spray and wipe for a professional finish without the expensive car wash trips. What we like. This spray offers a revolutionary way to clean and protect your vehicle without water, leaving a brilliant shine. Its advanced ceramic coating provides long-lasting protection against the elements. If you want a quick, high-shine finish and superior protection without the hassle of a traditional wash, this waterless spray is ideal. What people say. This dust catcher spray is very effective in trapping dust particles, preventing them from becoming airborne during cleaning. The spray has a unique formula that creates a fine mist, which gently lifts and holds dust without damaging surfaces. Its anti-static properties help to repel future dust accumulation, keeping surfaces cleaner for longer. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.